working on this Grom clone. Look at Mickey in the back. Working. Rear siding. Anyway, so we're gonna be changing out the stock carburetor, which is junk. Taking off the air box. And then we're gonna be using a PZ26 carburetor. The intake manifold off of 140. The gaskets and stuff that we need, the bolts, new fuel line, filter, gasket, and a fuel petcock. New spark plug. We're also gonna be removing the emissions, the little pair system stuff on here. We're gonna be removing that too, so it can run better. It's easier to take off this little plastic in the seat. And then we're removing this right here with the little box that's back there. And I already took off the air box, which is just two 10mm bolts. So that's easy to come out. So we'll pull that out right now. And then we'll take out all the little emission stuff. This too. We can remove the fuel. So I'll just cut this because we ain't gonna use this anyways. Get that out of the way for now. And removing all this. Huh?
Somebody come help me. I think my coworker talking to himself.
I ain't talking to myself. Rocky's hearing stuff. Alright, so all this is getting removed right here. So it's an 8mm to take this off. Let me get this out of the way. So there's the air box.
That is why you don't hit the pookie, guys.
There's this. And now this is the little canister we're going to be taking out. And I'll get this out right now. And all the lines to it. And then remove the 8. Do you have the 8 with you? Of course. I know you do.
This is super tight.
Even with it all the way? That was the what, 120?
Yeah, it's not the champion. Oh wait, no, you know what?
You know, look at this rookie.
It's still basically fucking pretty damn tight. Look at this. I'm all the way over here.
We'll add some chain to it. Find a 428 chain right there, a piece, and then just add a link and add some more. Just gotta add a little piece. Add a couple links. Give me a second to that. Okay, so take these 8s off. All right. So there's the carburetor. We'll move that. Put these bolts to the side for now. Move that out of the way. This carb. Unscrew this because we're gonna need the cable. This carburetor, throw as far as possible as you can. Preferably hit your coworker with it. You don't want this. So, let's see. Get an 8.
Be a man.
Be a man.
Put oil in your back, in your bike. Be a man.
Work on your own bike.
Be a man.
What happened?
Yeah.
Okay, so now remove this intake manifold. Okay, this ain't gonna do us any good no more. Plus we don't want it because it has the little tube. So I don't need this. Alright, so we took the manifold off, got that off, got that little that little whole vacuum line bullshit out. It's right here. This is all the stuff that goes to it. Just rip that all out. I leave the little vent tube just open. I leave it open, just hanging off to the side. I'll tie that up. Here's that little EGR thing. What I do is I just cut it. I take that off, cut it, and then smash it in a vise. And then it won't leak. Then I just bolt it back up in the bottom of the motor. So that's just quick. Right there, here in the bottom. And then let's do the next step. Manifolds on. And then carburetor's on. Make sure you put your slide right. Has to go all the way down. We got all that ready. Just gotta put the spacer in between. Go, it's done. Idles, runs good. Everything sits good. Cleans up all the space in there. So that's what we're doing today on this one. Appreciate you guys watching. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more content. This is quick and simple. Anybody could do this to theirs. It makes it totally different, way better. So alright guys, see you in the next one.